Project Pink aims to empower rural Indian women, combating prejudices and taboos affecting their lives and families. Leveraging AI and LLMs, it provides scientifically vetted data from WHO, National Health Mission, and similar organizations, facilitating information decisions. When we enter our app, we can see three features: menstruation and hygiene, maternity and childcare, and teenage blues. When we get into menstruation and hygiene, we can see a page where we have the do's and don'ts, the myths, the hygiene protocol, and period tracker. So when we click on the menstruation guide, protocol guide for what are do's and don'ts of menstruation, we get an AI-powered answer that is trained on LLMs to support us. We can change that language to our custom Indian languages so that nobody faces a language barrier while using our app. A major feature is our period tracker, a period tracker that collects all of the necessary data of a woman and then accurately predicts her periods, her next periods. Going forward to maternity and childcare. We have family planning, incubation, and childcare buttons right here. And below you can see maternity kit that's written by Melinda Gates and Bill Gates Foundation that provides the simple 7-stage formula to eradicate child mortality rates from this planet of the Earth. Next, we get into our National Government of Indian page that supports for family planning. Going forward, we have incubation. Here, we have pregnancy do's and don'ts, pregnancy myths, and pregnancy stage-based guidance, where there's a special button for the delivery option, where you can find and use the AI-faceted solutions to get aided for any problems faced during that critical phase. Next, I would like to get into the inquiry section of this page too, which is another custom-trained LLM that provides well-crafted answers, necessary answers for your questions based on pregnancy. If we get into childcare, we get into do's and don'ts and myths, and another stage-based guidance upon what to do and what not to do during the child's first 6 months. It's also powered by our another LLM trained upon the data. It's called by API keys. And if we get into the main page, we now delve into the teenage blues option, where we have incorporated two options mainly. That's confused parents and budding individual. So what does this do? So when we click on confused parents, they ask for all the necessary questions required for a parent's socio relationship with her or his kid, and then feeds the data to our AI, which provides advices and responses based on the selected buttons and his responses to our questionnaire. The budding individual option gives full customizability to the user of our app to get help on any mental issues faced during this critical and vulnerable phase of their lives. So that's it. That's all our app does.